Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Erpnext program on Windows 11. Step number one, it will start with the prerequisites. Okay, so what does this do? In the Docker desktop, install the Docker desktop for Windows, and then in the Git, ensure the Git is installed. Also, the code editors, this one is optional. Now, step number two, it's the setup. Create a project directory, create a folder for your Erpnext project, e.g. my site. Okay, and then clone the frep docker and then clone it into repository into the project directory. So this is the configuration stage. Now at this stage you have to set developer mode. After doing that, you install the Erpnext. Okay, after installing it, you can start up the bench and then run the docker into the containers. After that, go ahead and access the ERP and next open your web browser and navigate to https://localhost:8000 to access your ERPN next login page. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet in the next video once again.